Hi, I'm Janine Strawn and I'm the Director of Green Design Solutions. I design solar passive designed homes, and I've got a few here to show you as part of the Sustainable House Day. Come along for the journey. The first one I want to show you is Lancefield, a contemporary house in Lancefield in Victoria. So in Lancefield in country Victoria, we've got a contemporary family home. The thermal rating of it is 7.4 stars. It's made up of, or what we've got here, particularly in this home, we've got 5 kilowatts of solar panels. We've got recycled brick wall internally for thermal mass. We've got thermally broken double glazed windows, timber flooring, north face living areas, zoned living areas, 12,000 litre rainwater tanks, and herb and veggie gardens. They're really keen gardeners. So meet Deb and Nick. They actually came to me and met with me at one of the ATA Ask an Expert events a couple of years ago and engaged me from there. So this is their front yard, and what's really great about this is they've got a low fence, and so as people walk past, there's a lot of people walking around Lancefield. It's being a country town. As people walk past, and when Deb and Nick are outside doing the garden, there's a lot of discussions happening over the fence. So it's creating a really good community environment. The front door, we've got the front door obviously allows, with that glazing, allows for the opportunity to see who's at the front door before opening it. What we have here is the cladding is of WeatherTex. It's a natural, or it's by WeatherTex, and it's called Eco Groove, and it has not been stained or coloured. It will start to discolour over time. Already some of it has been, and eventually it'll go silvery grey, similar to the ColourBond colour. So that's what they really wanted. They wanted low maintenance, and the WeatherTex product is great for that. Also about the WeatherTex product, it is 97% pulp fibre, and the starch has been taken out of it and been replaced with wax. So it's termite resistant material. Go this way. Behind, on the opposite side of this front door opening, we've also got the back door. So there's really good cross-flow ventilation that can occur through the house. To the right of us is their main bedroom, and behind there is also the meditation room. To the left, behind these double wooden doors, is their living room. The whole house has been zoned, and this is their passageway that goes down into the other bedrooms and their family bathroom. Main bedroom, where we've got north-facing bedroom windows, but they're shaded in such a way so that the hot summer sun does not enter through those windows, and giving really good shading, but allowing that winter sunshine to come deeply into the room. This is the main bathroom. It's step-free access, so as they age in place, there's no issues about stepping and slipping within the bathroom or within the shower area, which was really important to them. Their meditation room. Now here you've got recycled old red bricks, and luckily that they've got some beautiful character about them. And here is the double doors off to the left-hand side, so they can be closed or opened to help control the air movement through the house and also the heat flow. So this brick wall is whilst it is solid brick, it does still act as thermal mass. However, it's not in direct contact with the solar radiation that comes through the windows. It's set further back within the room. It still can help to stabilise the internal air temperature, but because it absorbs the internal air temperature, stores it, and then re-releases it back into the room as the temperature of the room cools down. They've also got timber flooring throughout the house, which is what they really wanted to have for that natural feeling. And excuse me, thermal mass is products like exposed concrete slab, reverse brick, or brick walls internally. It also could be fireplaces. It's something of a solid material. It could even be a big aquarium. Something of a solid substance which absorbs heat, stores it, and re-radiates it back out. On the left-hand side, we've actually got infrared heater panels. They're located up on the ceiling, and they could also be located on the wall. The infrared heater panels actually heat up materials and objects, not the air. So they're extremely efficient. They run at about 850 watts each panel, but they're put on a thermostat, and then you can control the temperature that you want to achieve in that room, and also obviously the settings in regards to you know, the time settings. The picture on the right is their daughter's room, also facing north, with a beautiful window seat where she can sit and read, you know, embracing the winter sunshine. It's not midday. I think it's about, for this picture, I think it was about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, close to winter. The winter sunshine can come deeply into the home because of the elevation of the eaves. We've got 600mm eaves on the north, and that will allow us to get solar radiation coming in the wintertime into about 4 meters deeply into the room. So it's really lovely and comfortable. The timber flooring they've got, and also all of these sliding doors and the windows are thermally broken double glazed aluminium. The intent of the thermally broken aluminium is to separate the two elements of aluminium, because aluminium transfers heat. We don't want that to occur, particularly in the summertime. And so we've got a thermal break within there, and that helps to reduce that heat transfer. We've also got ceiling fans in every single bedroom and also in every living area to allow the movement of air. In the summertime, they're put on the summer mode, and you do need to change the mode across. So in the summertime, if they put on, you know, 3 or 4, they can create that convective current over our skin, making us feel cooler, but it actually doesn't cool the air down. It's just that movement of air that makes us feel a bit cooler. And in the reverse, in the wintertime, what they can do is put it on the winter mode, and helps to push that hot air. As hot air rises, it helps to gently push that hot air back down to where they're sitting in the room. Their kitchen also has north-facing windows, and it has the eaves out there as well as the pergola. So it won't get any direct sunshine over the summertime. Their laundry. Low maintenance colour bond has been applied in pretty much all of this side of the house, because they don't want to be going out there constantly repainting. Obviously with the WeatherTechs at the front, the Eco Groove, they don't need to paint at all because that will naturally grey off. No maintenance on the colour bond, but there is another WeatherTechs cladding that they've used. They wanted to have some sort of a weatherboard look, and that will need painting probably about every 15 to 18 years. You can start to see here the Eco Groove starting to grey off. It will fully grey off no matter what orientation it is, but that will take some time. Some will grey off quicker than others, because if it's more in direct alignment with the sun or exposure to the sun, that'll start to lighten off and grey off more quickly. And when they don't want to be gardening anymore, they can be sitting out on their north-facing pergola and deck and pergola. They're growing vines. They'll be growing vines over this pergola. They've only been in there for just a year. They've already been working on their garden. This is a little bit later. You know, they've got their veggie patches, using a lot of recycled bricks, timbers, and getting the bounty from the garden, which is really great. Deb and Nick are both really keen gardeners, and also they love native plants as well. So they've got a dedicated native garden area on the other side of the property. Thanks a lot for joining me on this journey for Lancefield. Stay tuned and have a look at some of my other designs.